What is up, guys? Trade for Profits here. Welcome back. I wanted to walk you through it. In the event you are a beginner and you've never bought a stock and you have a Robinhood account, you're excited, you just signed up, you just deposited some money. It's 2021, everybody's turned up, everybody's ready to rock and roll, make all this dough. In the event you don't know how to buy and sell a stock, this is your quick crash course on how to buy and sell stocks. It's better to do it when the market is open, but it's the 2nd of January, technically, and the market is closed. So we're going to do some simulating here, okay? Now, my last video, I did a video on what stock I'm going to be going all in on for 2021. I'm going to close my eyes, buy $40,000 worth of ARKW, and I'm going to see how it performs. Now, I'm not going to buy now because it's at its all-time highs. I'm going to wait for it to drop a bit, and then I'm going to enter into the market, and I am going to go all in on ARK. And I am more than likely going to buy some other things, but ARKW is going to take up most of my portfolio. It's probably going to be about 70, 80, maybe 90%. Okay? So we're going to click on this one, and how Robinhood has it, you could buy with shares or you could buy with dollar amount. So if you had $600, I have $600 in this account right now to buy, I can pretty much invest the whole thing. It'll give me 4.08. This is if you're doing fractional shares. Or I could just go to shares and type in 4. You just mainly have to know how much of that company you want to buy. And as you can see here, this is my buying power available. So I can only buy what I have. I don't have this account set up on margin, which you'll learn in another video, but you can only buy what you have in your account. So I could buy 4 shares for $587.24. And then I'll click on review order. And then it says market buy order on Robinhoods are placed with limits of 5%, blah, 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 above the market price to protect customers from spending more money. Convert to limit order. Basically, Robinhood is telling you, convert to limit order because the prices of this particular stock that I'm buying is marked up 5%. So I'll convert it to limit order, tell Robinhood I want to execute it at this market price, allow the order to execute at this price, click it, review, and then buy. That is it, right? But if the market was open, it would have executed. If the market is closed like it is now, it won't execute. Same thing with how to sell. I don't think I can show you an example of how to sell because I don't own it. But yeah, if I own it, I can show you how to sell. But I don't own ARKW yet, so I can only show you how to buy. In another video, I will show you how to sell. But it goes with any stock. You just want to make sure you have the right stock ticker. All right, you can go look for Microsoft, Google, whatever company you're buying and selling, just make sure you have the right ticker. All right. I almost bought a company that wasn't Apple. I was trying to buy Apple, and there was another stock ticker that was so close to Apple, and it wasn't. So make sure you got that right. Which one was it? I forgot what it was. There it is, Advanced Auto Parts. I almost bought Advanced Auto Parts, and I almost spent $10,000 worth of buying. I almost spent $10,000 buying Advanced Auto Parts, and I didn't even want Advanced Auto Parts. I don't even care about Advanced Auto Parts. Just make sure the parts on my 2 cars, make sure they work. But anyway, make sure the stock ticker is correct before you buy, and then decide whether or not you want to buy shares or dollar amount. Dollar amount is helpful if you got like $601 like me right now. You just buy $601.44. That's it. You don't have to put any thought to how many shares you want. It's easier to do it this way. But if you got a small little OCD like me, and you want to buy things in even numbers, then you could just buy 2 and it'll calculate it for you, or 10. Okay, whatever floats your boat. Robinhood pretty much gamified how to buy stocks. That's why it's a super popular platform. It makes things simple. And a lot of these other brokerage accounts are technically better, but this younger generation that's investing kind of likes this platform better because of the simplicity it has and it provides. It makes it simple. Like when I go to E-Trade and I try to buy based on dollar amount, I don't think I could do that. And I tried. I can't do that. And that's why I like Robinhood, and that's why a lot of people like Robinhood. It's simple. But that's basically how to buy stocks or even ETFs in Robinhood. Whatever, as long as you know the stock ticker, you can buy whatever you want. If you don't know the stock ticker, do not buy anything. Okay, you are not ready to buy anything. If you don't have money in your brokerage account, do not buy anything because you can't anyway. So sign up with Robinhood using the link in the description and fund your account so both of us can get some stocks, some free stocks, and then buy the hell out of the stocks that you want to buy, and let's make some money together, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video.